Hey guys, this is Danny right here in Greenville, South Carolina at MarineMax. Wanted to show you this this is a 2025 21 SPX Outboard. It's such a good looking boat with a newer design hull. It's got nice lines on it. It comes on this tandem axle aluminum trailer with a swing tongue. Makes it a little easier if you got a garage or anything you want to put it in to store it away. Nice curved glass here around with the windshield with a sports arch and with a bimini top. So that gives you some coverage, you know, if you want to get out from the sun a little bit and get a little bit of shade. Makes it nice to just be out on the boat all day and not get burned up by the sun. Come around back, I'll show you the back here. As you see this big sun pad in the back, it's one of the best things that the design of this boat has. When you're out with a family in a cove somewhere, it's great for the kids to get off and jump off and swim and everything. This boat's powered by a V6 Mercury 200. The boat is going to perform very good. It's got plenty of horsepower to do water sports or just cruise the lake. Let's jump up here and let me show you the inside. I love the design in the front of the bow of the boat. Nice cushion area up here. You got integrated handle there and then an integrated speaker. Up here you have anchor storage. And this actually gives you plenty of storage underneath all the seats and everything under here. You've got storage underneath the passenger side. You could put, you know, life jackets, cushions, or anything like that you'd like to put underneath there. Over here you've got a 9-inch Simbrad, and then you have these Fusion stereo with a Bluetooth, of course, with a digital throttle. Nice captain's chair that you can swing around, be able to talk to people in the boat. This actually has the flip down seat too. You can go all the way down in the front or just flip it back here, ride forward. You get plenty of squared off seating here. That was one thing that Sea Ray did. They designed to have a little bit more of a square inside to give you a lot more room. It feels a lot wider than it used to. I love the snap-in carpet. Of course, it has non-skid underneath all of here if you have pets and you know don't want to get mud on the mats. But they're easy to snap in. They're easy to keep clean. It just makes it a little bit more comfortable. So if that's something you like, you can definitely do that. If you have any more questions about this boat, please give us a call here at MarineMax.